Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys behind the scenes of me making my psoriasis body butter for my business Lavish Curls Beauty. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. So my psoriasis body butter is a part of the psoriasis collection. This is an all-natural butter that helps with reducing flare-ups. It helps calm itchiness. It helps with any flakiness on your body. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare and make it. And if you guys are interested in knowing where I get any of the ingredients, any of the containers, I do have my vendor list linked in the description box below. So if you need help getting started with your business, then I have all of that stuff for you guys in that vendor list. So let's go ahead and make these. I'm only going to be making 3 of them. I'm kind of just making them on demand currently as I get the orders for it. But if you are interested in purchasing the psoriasis body butter, it is over on my website. So lavishcurlsbeauty.com, also linked in the description. So let's go ahead and get into it. And I just washed my hair today. It looks crazy. It was straight, but now, you know, it's curly. But it's like first day hair. I didn't really put anything in it. Only thing in my hair is the scalp psoriasis leave-in conditioner and some hair growth oil. So first things first, you're gonna of course need a scale. I got mine off of Amazon. This is beat up, crusty, rusty, dusty. I've had this for almost 5 years. I will have this linked in my Amazon storefront as well. A lot of my business essentials that I use as well are on my Amazon storefront, so that will be in the description box too. Just go over to the storefront, go over to business essentials, and I have a lot of the stuff that I use over there too.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time.